Hi everyone, let's continue Power BI. I had already explained you what is Power BI, and as well as already explained you here is parts of Power BI in my previous video. So today we will discuss about four most important components of Power BI, how they are useful. One is Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI service. Power Query here is you can clean your data wherever is the your data is there. You can clean your data, and here is you can raw data you can upload here. And Power Pivot means we are talking about modeling of your data, right? At the different places, this data has been taken, and now you can do modeling on this particular data. Power View means visualization of your data, and Power BI service that is cloud based. And in Power BI service, what you have to do, you can share your data across the world, right? If anybody would like to use your data, you would like to share your data, you had prepared a report, so you can share this data. And on the basis of working categories of the Power BI, we will talk about Power BI desktop and Power BI service. So I had already downloaded, this one is the how we can download Power BI desktop. Basically, we can call any file, any kind of file. Like if suppose I have .csv file, I can call it. I can run this file on Power BI, because this is basically a business intelligence software. And this one is you can use any kind of files. And Power BI service, that is again, I would say that's the same. That is the cloud based, and here is you can publish your reports and you can share your reports across anyone. So here is, first of all, we would understand how we can upgrade our Power BI. Right, this is my interface. I had already downloaded. Right, you can see here is filters also in my this interface, and you can see this one is the lots of right get data, Excel workbook, data hub, SQL server, and all these things. But how we can upgrade our this Power BI? That's most important. First of all, we have to, again, I'm repeating this. This one is this is step file. You are going to click here, file, options, and settings. Then you have to go to options, and you can see in the options there are you here is you can see there is the lots of things are here. You can see Power Query Editor, Direct Query, and all these things. Finally, preview features and save and recover, report writing, and all these things. And here is when you're going to click preview features. Now you can see whatever upgrades are here. You can click on, let's say, shape map visual. I want Spanish language support for Q&A for live connected analysis connected to external semantic models, let's say. And after that, because these all updates are available and you can click on these things, you can press OK. And after that, here is feature requires a restart, right? Because here is now you will restart again, right? Then all these upgrades would be installed in your Power BI. And in the same way, we will work on other like transform data also. Like we can see transform data, right? And here is also you can upgrade your data, right? And so there is also, I mean, we will discuss when I would run this. This one is the transform data and all. I would discuss all these things. So one by one, we will do that. So keep watching, as well as keep updating your Power BI. And in the next video, we would upload some more features. Thank you. Keep watching.